Hi class, now we are going to discuss a new problem from the exercise 1.1, that is, show that cube of any positive integer is of the form 9m or 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 10. So now we'll see how we are going to show that. So according to Euclid division lemma, Euclid division lemma. So what is that Euclid division lemma? A is equal to B cube plus R. A is equal to B cube plus R. So if we compare that lemma to the question, means the question, we get A is equal to, let A is equal to positive integer and B is 9, because we have to show 9m, 9m plus 1, 9m plus 8. So B will become what? 9. So B means what? Divisor. A means what? Dividend. Dividend is what? Positive integer. So if we divide any positive integer with 9, the possibilities of remainders are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 till 8, less than 9. So I will take one after the one case and I will try to prove. So if I take, if R is equal to 0, then A is equal to what? 9 cube plus 0 according to Euclid division lemma. Cubic on both sides. Cubic on both sides. Then it will become what? A cube, 9 cube whole cube. 9 cube whole cube means what? A cube plus 9 cube. 9 square 81, 81 9s are 81 9s are 9 1s are 9, 9 8s are 72, 729 and cube. So this 729 I am writing as A cube 9 into 81 cube, because 9 into 81 will get what? 729. This 81 cube I am replacing with a new letter, that is m. So A cube is equal to 9m. This is case 1 completed. Similarly, if R is equal to 1, then A is equal to B cube plus 1. B means what? 9. So 9 plus 1. 9 cube plus 1. Apply for this cubing on both sides. Then you will get what? A cube, 9 cube plus 1 whole cube. A cube, A plus B whole cube. The formula of A plus B whole cube is what? A cube plus B cube plus 3A square B plus 3A B square. So if I apply that formula and if I expand this, then you get what? 9 cube whole cube plus 1 cube plus 3A square. A square means in place of A what I have? 9q square into 1 plus 3 9q into 1 square. I just applied A plus B whole cube formula. A cube plus B cube plus 3A square B plus 3A B square. And if I try to simplify that, I will get what? A cube is equal to 9 cube means 729 q cube plus 1. 9 square means 81, 81 3s are. We will get what? 81 3s are. 3 1s are 3, 8 3s are 24. 243 q square into 1 means no problem. Same as it is you will get. Plus 3 9s are 27 q. Now write this in the order of powers of q. That means 729 q cube plus next 243 q square plus 27 q plus 1. So if you observe these three terms, we can take what? 9 common from these three terms. Take only 9. We can take other terms also common, but I want only 9 because I need to show in the format of 9 into some constant plus 1 or 8 or 0. So 9 I will take common. Then I will get what? 81 q cube plus 27 q square plus 3q plus 1. I am going to replace all the letters which are in the bracket bracket with some new letter, that is what, m, then a cube is equal to 9m plus 1. See, I got here what? So that is a cube. So a cube is equal to 9m. A cube is equal to 9m plus 1. A means what actually? Positive integer. Cube of positive integer, what I got? 9m. Here cube of positive integer, what I got? 9m plus 1. Let's see next case. That is what? 0 completed, 1 completed. Next check with what? Next case, that is what? If r is equal to 2. If r is equal to 2, what I will get? A is equal to b cube. Sorry, not b, because b value already we know, that is what? 9. 9 cube plus 2. R value what I have taken? 2. Here r is 0, r is 1, r is 2. So one after the other cases I will verify. How many cases I will get? 0 to 8. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Why 8? Because my divisor is what? 9. I already told remainders of any number if you divide with 9 is 0 to less than b. Less than b means less than 9. That is 8, less than 8. So that's it. One after the other I am taking the cases and I am proving whether it is in the form of 9m or 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8 or not. I got 9m, fine. I got 9m plus 1, fine. Next case also I need to check now. So a is equal to 9 cube plus 2. Do cubing on both sides. Tell me why I am doing cubing on both sides. Because in the question they have mentioned that show that cube of positive integer. A is a positive integer. Cube of positive integer means I need to do what? Cubing on both sides. So that's the reason I am doing what? Cubing on both sides. To this you do what? Cubing on both sides. Similar procedure. Then I get what? A cube plus is equal to 9 cube plus 2 whole cube. Expand this 9 cube plus 2 whole cube. A cube is equal to, if I expand a plus b whole cube formula I already said. What is that? A cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3a b square. If I apply, what I will get? A cube 9 cube whole cube plus 2 cube plus 3a square b. 3 9 q square b plus 9q into 2 square. A cube, b cube, 3a square b, 3a b square. I will simplify this. Then I will get what? A cube is equal to 9q whole cube means already we know that is what? 729 cube plus 2 cube means 8 plus 9q square 81q square. 81q square into 3. What else you write like this? 3 into 9q square into 2 plus 3 into 9q into 4, because 2 square means 4. Write it in the format of, sorry, write it in the order of powers of cube. Then it will become what? A cube is equal to 729 cube plus, next after cube what I need to write? Square. So it will become 3 into 9q square into 2 plus, next 3 into 9q into 4 plus 8. So if I observe these 3 terms, 1, 2, 3, from these 3 terms I can take 9 common. So I am taking 9 common. A cube is equal to 9. If I take common, then I get what? 81 q cube plus 9 came outside. So what will be here? 3 into 2. 3 2s are 6 and q square. 6q square plus 9 came outside. So what is left over? 3 and 4. 3 2 the 3 into 4, 12 and q. 12 q. So from this 8 we cannot take 9 common. So as it is 8. I am replacing the total numbers in the bracket with some new letter, that is m. So a cube is equal to 9m plus 8. Clear? Now check. I have taken one case, I got 9m. I have taken another case, I got 9m plus 1. I have taken another case, I got 9m plus 8. So what I can conclude? Cube of any positive integer is of the form 9m plus 1, 9m plus 8. So therefore, cube of any positive integer is of the form